Hi guys, I just received a helicopter. It looks really nice. As you can see, the OMPHobby M2 has a carbon frame. It's a direct drive helicopter. The main shaft is directly connected to the motor. The design is very nice. It has metal gear servos, carbon boom. The motor in the tail looks very nice and sturdy. The mechanics also looks nice. It's very sharp. It's very well connected. Yeah. This is the battery, a 3S 650 milliamps. I'm also going to show you a bit into the transmitter. So I have a DSMX satellite here, which is you need to bind it with an external receiver, but once you bind it to the transmitter, then you just connect it to here to the DSMX port. You also have an S-Bus port, but I'm using the DSMX port. And then what you need to do in the transmitter, you need to assign the gear channel. You need to assign it to your idle up switch. In my case it's B switch, so that we can actually switch through the flight modes. So you can see here the gear channel, it switches as I'm changing the stunt modes. So let's give it a short flight. So it initializes in the attitude mode, in the self-level mode, which is also acts like a rescue mode. So let's start it. Yeah, so that's one thing that you need to know. In self-level mode, you need to initialize it on a flat surface, because otherwise it's gonna try to drift. So this is the self-level mode. I'm trying to go right to get back to center. This is idle up mode. You can see the collective is very sharp. Tail is also nice. Let's do some idle up too now. So the self-level mode also acts as a rescue. So let's try it and let's see if it goes back to the level. So I'm now in 3D mode and I'm gonna go backwards. Let's go to level mode. So that's really nice feature of this helicopter. So let's go again. I'm going idle up. I'm gonna go inverted. And now let's say I'm gonna panic and I'm going rescue. Yeah, but yeah, it's not always working like planned, but there's no damage to the helicopter. Let's give it a try. Yeah, absolutely no damage to the helicopter. Let's see. Yep, so everything is fine.